Welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. Today we are about to caramelize some onions and can them. Somebody gifted us a 50-pound bag of onions. So we're going to go ahead and caramelize those, and we're going to can them and make them shelf stable. We're going to pressure can them. Come along with us. I'll show you how it's done. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every time we put out a video. Thanks for watching. We now have our onions sliced up, peeled. We've quartered them, and I have put a stick of butter in the crock pot on high to let it melt. It's melted. Now we're going to add our onions in. We're going to put the lid on, and we're going to let those cook for 10 hours so they will caramelize. And tomorrow we'll pack them in jars, and then we'll pressure can them. So it's the next morning, and these onions have been in the crock pot for 10 hours. They're caramelized. I'm sterilizing my jars right now. Make sure you sterilize your jars before you put your onions in. You're going to leave an inch of headspace, but this is what they look like after 10 hours. They should be nice and caramelized there. You can tell they're caramelized. They're looking good. So we're going to take these onions, put them in the jar as soon as they get sterilized. So we ended up with 3 pints of caramelized onions. We packed the pint jars all the way to the top, leaving an inch of headspace. We cleaned the rim of the jar with a paper towel that had some vinegar on it to make sure we got a good seal. We put our lids and rings on, tightened them down, and we are pressure canning these in our one of our electric pressure canners. And we have all 3 pints in here. And we're going to pressure and I'll let you know what the end product looks like. Go ahead, subscribe, like, hit that bell notification. Thanks for watching.